Hello everyone, this is Tuba, Head of Growth at Botanalytics, and I hope you're doing good. I'm happy to announce that we integrated with Drift, the leading conversational marketing platform. We did it to make it easier for you to connect your agents and chatbots to get your advanced conversational analytics data. And actually, it's super easy, it's just one click integration, and I will quickly show you how. Okay, this is my account on Drift, and I'm gonna click on settings. Yep, and app settings and apps here. Yes, and here you can see Botanalytics. And yes, basically the key features that we offer are advanced reports on your agent and chatbot performance, including sentiment analysis, bottleneck detection, and what else? Conversation engagement and retention as well. And you can also dive into user behaviors so that you can learn more about your retain, engage, and churn users. And the best, or at least my favorite part, is that you can actually create specific events and track their frequency. Um, to give an example, let's say you are selling pizza on your bot and you want to see how many times people ask for pineapple as an ingredient. We make it possible for you. And as I said, it's super easy. It's just one click integration. Yep. Read and listen to conversation. Okay, looks fine. Rise up. I need to give a name to my bot and pick a category. Let's say this is a customer support bot. And I can also add organization image here, but you don't have to do it right away. You can always do it later. Save bot. Okay, great. So it's over. Good job. Integration is done. If I click on check connection, I will not be able to see anything because I still haven't spoken to my bot yet. But in order to show you how your dashboard will look like, here it is. You will be able to see a live conversation count and total messages, total sent from bot and total sent from human agent, and average session length and average conversation steps per contact and per agent, and etc. And here are most active hours, and if you define some events, you will see your most fulfilled goals and events here. We actually have many more features and AI-powered advanced performance reports. You just need to integrate your bot to our system and discover and enjoy all our features. And that's it. If you have any questions about integration, you can always reach out to me at my email tuba@botanalytics.co. And if you want more videos like this, like that kind of tutorials, just let me know. I would be happy to do more. And see you.